How to use Arbitrum tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use Arbitrum for your crypto wallet, how to add this network on your MetaMask, and how you can simply sign up for Arbitrum, what are the different features and tools, how to use it. This is a beginner's tutorial for you, so follow this through and you will know how to simply use Arbitrum as your main network on your MetaMask. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you can simply go to bridge.arbitrum.io and you will land on this platform right here. Arbitrum is an amazing network that we can add on our Ethereum. To get started with Arbitrum, what you have to do is you simply click on login. Once you do that, then you simply have to connect your MetaMask, your Wallet Connect, or Coinbase. So it depends on what kind of wallet you have. I have a MetaMask. How to get a MetaMask? Getting a MetaMask is super easy. You can simply add it as your Google extension. You simply go to metamask.io and you sign up with your Google account. So I have my MetaMask right here. Now I will simply click on connect to MetaMask wallet, and then I will be able to connect my MetaMask to my Arbitrum. But here's the thing. We do not have our Arbitrum on our MetaMask yet. We don't have Arbitrum on Ethereum in our wallet. So we need to add this network to our MetaMask so that we can connect it to this network, or we can simply deal in Arbitrum. So in order to do that, what you have to do is simply open up your MetaMask. Let's go ahead and expand this view so we will have a better idea. So this is our MetaMask right here. This is my MetaMask, you can see right here. And this is my main network right here, which is Ethereum right now. So we need to change this to Arbitrum, right? So what you need to do is we will have to add a new network. And this is the default network that we get. So to add a new network, you simply go to networks right here. You will be able to find all of your networks right here. Right now I have two networks, Ethereum, and then we have Polygon on Ethereum. To add a new network, you simply click right here. Here I can simply go ahead and add my Arbitrum to my MetaMask. Now we have to add the network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and then block explorer URL, which is optional. How to get the RPC URL and chain ID? What you have to do is you can simply go to Google and type in Arbitrum network, and this will actually open up this article from Medium, and in here we have all of the information that we need. It will actually give you all of the information like what is Arbitrum, and then it also has all of the procedure to add your Arbitrum to your MetaMask. In here you will find the RPC URL. All you have to do is simply copy this one and paste it right here, new RPC. Network name is of course Arbitrum. Then we have chain ID, which is 42161. And then we have currency symbol. You can actually add any symbol, but we have AETH. There you go. So now you can see our optional is available to save this network. You will simply click right here on save and your new network will be saved. You can see right here now my MetaMask has AETH, which is Arbitrum, and you can see right here. I can switch between different networks from here. I can go back to my Ethereum, or I can just stay with Arbitrum. So this is how you simply add Arbitrum to your MetaMask. Now you can simply go back to your Arbitrum and we can log in with our MetaMask. There you go. You will simply connect your MetaMask to your Arbitrum. In here we have Bridge, Portal, Explorers, Tutorial, Documents, and Support. In here we have our mainnet, we have our other mainnets available. The Bridge option is in here. You can see right here, this is our token, which is Ethereum right now. I can simply go ahead and add different tokens as well, or search by token name. To manage your token list, you can simply click right here and you can add different tokens. So I'm going to add my Arbitrum whitelist era, and we can actually go ahead and for now add all of these. There you go. Let's go back and you will see that now we have all of these different tokens available. So now I can select one token, and then what I have to do is simply enter an amount here. Let's go with maybe 30. This way you will be able to convert and withdraw your Arbitrum from here. Then you can simply go to portal as well. In here we will actually get our Arbitrum 1 portal. So this is our Arbitrum 1 portal, and in here I will find all of the token and all of the information. So first of all, we have our tokens. You can see all of the tokens are actually available right here. And the live prices for all of these tokens are here, and you can actually see that which of the tokens are live and then which are actually yet to come. We can also simply, copy their link. We have the Discord, Twitter, and other websites as well. So you can see all of them are available. We have crypto.com. We have all of these different arbitrums right here. If I want to, let's say I want to go to Binance, so I will simply click right here and it will open up binance.com. Now I can simply go ahead and add my Arbitrum to my Binance. This way I can actually go to any of these different platforms and use them. Then we have the apps available and NFT marketplaces too. When it comes to NFT marketplaces, then we have three. We have Stratos, Tufont, and Troyer. Let's say that I want to go with this one and I want to buy and sell NFTs on Arbitrum. When it comes to NFTs, actually, most of the NFTs are actually available on just direct Ethereum or, Polygon, and NFTs on Arbitrum are actually not that famous. But we have different marketplaces and you can simply connect your wallet. So this is one of the Arbitrum marketplaces right here, NFT marketplaces. And you can see right here, I can simply go ahead and buy and sell NFTs on Arbitrum. The NFTs actually are pretty good looking. The art is amazing. So if you're looking for cheap NFTs to buy on Arbitrum, you can simply check out the different marketplaces. Simply when I will connect my wallet, such as my MetaMask, my Coinbase, or my wallet connect, then it should have the Arbitrum mainnet, of course. And we have actually, did that setting already. We have our Arbitrum on MetaMask. This was really important because once you have Arbitrum on your crypto wallet, after that, it becomes really easy for you to go to any of these different tools. For example, NFT marketplaces, D-apps, and tools, crypto taxis as well. So if we go to wallets in here, then you can see we have all of the different wallets available for Arbitrum. All of the famous ones such as Bridge Wallet, Coinbase, and we have MetaMask, we have R03 Wallet, we have our Zapper, Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, all of these are actually available. Then we have crypto taxes too. Only two are live right now, and I can simply go ahead and check any of these out. So this is how you simply use Arbitrum, and you can simply go to portal.arbitrum.one and it will allow you to create a portal between your different platforms and your Arbitrum. Then we have node providers as well. When it comes to node providers, we have Akemi, we have Anchor, Keplock, and all of the others. Again, simply select any of these and it will take you to their website. For example, this is one of the crypto taxes and I can simply go ahead and sign up or log in. When it comes to login again, I will simply log in with my wallet, with my MetaMask, and I have Arbitrum on my MetaMask. And this way you can simply go ahead and add Arbitrum to your MetaMask and then go ahead and buy and sell NFTs, trade in crypto, or the apps, wallets, tools, whatever you want to do. I also want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. So trading and buying crypto, it all depends on you. I wanted to show you around Arbitrum and I hope that this video was a big help to you. This brings us to the end of the video. If I was big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.